Hi, good morning. I'm so excited. I kind of did a little bit cleanup of my place this morning and last night. It looks so good. I can't wait to show you. To the living room. Just now was my bedroom. Ta-da! Look, the lights. How pretty. And I have my new TV. Isn't it look amazing? I love it. In my plant corner, Christmas trees and my succulents and my phone. They look so pretty. So pretty. And my outdoor garden. Oh my god. Oh shit. Bumped into glass on myself. I didn't even see it. How silly. This is my outdoor garden. Ooh, how pretty. How pretty. Look at this purple flower. And then we have this half strings hanging there. Isn't it pretty? We clean up the yard a little bit. Look, from here. Oh, the pots. And then I have all those flowers I prepared from last night. Isn't them pretty? They're like the best nature war. I'm very proud, very excited, and I can't wait to share birthday celebration, housewarming / my new job with everybody. Have an awesome day. Bye bye. So pretty. Bye.